Okay, welcome back to part 2. And in this session, what we're going to do is I'm going to now run through some services with you. So, to go to services, go to start and then type in services or serve, an abbreviation of the two. Now, once services has come up, navigate to it, press enter. Then expand the screen. And the two services that I'm going to activate today are themes, which hasn't been installed just yet. Okay, that will come up in part 3. But themes will come up in this part. And the other one that I'm going to activate is Windows Audio. Now, what's Windows Audio? Windows Audio will allow you to have sound flowing through the device of your sound card, or whichever thing's installed. You can also install drivers on Windows Server 2008, but you'll need Windows Desktop Mode, which comes up in part 3, in order to do that sort of thing. And that is like tricking the computer into thinking that it's a different type of operating system. So it's kind of like installing Windows 7 with Aero. Or at least you give the impression to the computer that that's what it is. So, to activate the service, right-click, Properties, and then instead of manual, say automatic, apply, and then start. And as you can see, the service has been started. So that's an introduction to services in Windows Server 2008. However, I would also like to point out that there are many various ways in which you can get to services. Another way is to go to Start, Control Panel, then change from category view to large icons and administrative tools, and then services down here. Then double click and that will also open the services panel. Now from here, if you like, you could also create a shortcut. So right click and then you can send to desktop as a shortcut, or pin to start bar. Pin to start bar will then make a little icon for you down here. Let's just try that. See, start bar, and it's already there. Now why did I drag that down? So I dragged that down because Windows Server 2008 also has a feature kind of like the super bar, where you can just pin stuff directly to the taskbar itself, or the super bar. I call this a super bar because that's its technical name. So in order to do that, you just drag your mouse over the thing that you want to do or want to have, and then you just left click, hold left click, and drag it directly down to the bar down there. Okay, I already have it in there, so it's not going to let me do it. But for example, say, I don't know, performance monitor, just drag, and then it will end up becoming like that. And then the left mouse button, you just release, and it will come down there. Okay, so that's how we do that. Thank you for watching. This has been Multi-Tech Spec, and there we go.